Say goodbye to boring afternoons and hello to hands-on experiment. With Smartivity, kids don't just play, they build, explore and learn. Let's kick things off with Smartivity's DIY foosball kit, perfect for ages 6 to 10. No screws, no glue, just pure build-it-yourself magic. It's designed for little hands and big imaginations. Once it's built, the real fun begins. Fast-paced action, cheering, goals, and all the thrills of arcade in a tabletop form. Bonus, it's not just fun, it improves motor skills, coordination, and strategic thinking too. Next up, the ultimate gadget lab. Smartivity's motor gadget kit is packed with over 10 incredible build-ups for kids aged 6 to 14. From tornadoes that swirl to discs that launch, this kit brings science to life. Kids learn about motors, circuits, airflow and mechanics, all while having a blast. Built with eco-friendly materials, every step is a chance to explore STEM concepts the fun way. Whether you're scoring goals, Smartivity turns learning into an unforgettable adventure. It's screen-free, parent-approved and packed with skills for tomorrow's thinkers. Foosball, motor gadgets, one brand, infinite learning.
Tap the link to get home Smartivity today.